What's up, YouTube? Fractal Design made the objectively best looking computer case on the market by taking some sticks and slapping them onto a PC case. I have my own small form factor PC build, and it sucks. Possible to get anything from anywhere that's so tiny and the cables are everywhere and it sucks and it's stupid. So it's time for an upgrade. All right, let's see. Get the Fractal Design. Go to the out of stock. Out of stock. This means, you know what this means? We gotta take our own sticks, put them on the Corsair 4000D. The D is for, what we do is we grab ourselves a big stick of black walnut, the biggest sticks. Whew. Now we got 6 sticks to put on our PC, but we're not done yet. First, we gotta just destroy the outside of this case. Gonna get that case frame and just go at it with a Dremel. Cutting out bits there, snipping out a piece over there. Just really mangle that bad boy so we can fit our sweet sticks. Now, when we're looking at our sticks in our case, we need to take some material off of those sticks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just shave off the edge of these. Just shave off the edge of these sticks. Don't worry. There we got it. We got our sticks and we got our mangled frame. Since we jacked up the frame a lot, we're gonna do is we're gonna spray paint this bad boy. And I bad painting because I just don't care. So we paint that, we mess it up, we paint it again, but what's gonna hold the sticks together? Here we got my old PC case, the Silverstone, sucky ducky, stick it in a small case. Take it and we're gonna cut out some metal pieces to put our sticks on. Be very, yeah, you don't cut yourself, it's noisy. Put in some screws, just a little bit of screw here, a little bit of screw there. Now we got all our screws and our metal and our sticks in one beautiful piece. All that's left, magnets! The sticks on the sides, on the edges, they're just gonna hold themselves up to the case. We put some magnets in the back of the frame where you can't see them, and then we drill into the sticks and put some magnets there, you know, super glue them in, and bam, you got sticks sticking to the side of the frame. Then we put magnets onto the big stick metal frame, and now that magnetically attaches. Bam, you got airflow, you got a dust filter, you got sticks on the front, and you are looking at a Fractal design. It looks alright. I kind of messed up the paint job a bit. What do we got here? We got a 5600 because I got it used for cheap. We got a motherboard that I got from an auction. PCs suck! What do you think, Danny DeVito? Donkey! Donkey! Goddamn wires for days can't even drive this stupid crap to work. Oh my god, it's a pain in the right. And we got all Noctua, baby. That's right. Everything in this thing is Noctua except for the fan in the goddamn power supply. Why did he put in a 1300 watt power supply? Because I'm gonna put in a new GPU in a few years that I'm gonna get off Facebook Marketplace because I'm chronically cheap. That's it. Thank you.